I purchased a lot. So same thing I'm telling you guys. I got in the habit of purchasing samples, right? Or now, if I'm spending a whole lot of money, like the amount that I be spending now, I gotta go touch it, feel it, see it first before I just say make a purchase and send it to me, right? So that was a lesson learned. That was a hard lesson learned. So I had to get rid of them, but I didn't. I didn't like it. I didn't like the quality at all, and I knew I wouldn't drape with them either. So the biggest difference, like I said, told you guys, these will be on sale today and tomorrow. And this is the matte blush. I actually like this. I was surprised because at first I was a little pissed off. Like that wasn't supposed to be on my manifest, but I like it. So now I kind of want to do design with it, like maybe this in the. Oh God, I ain't get it. I ain't get it yet. It's over there somewhere. El Burgundy. Guys, El Burgundy is almost out. I forgot. I supposed to have that in my hand so I can show y'all. Wait a minute. Give me a second, guys. I got to go get this burgundy. It's gorgeous. It took me forever to find it. Burgundy. Oh, right here. Okay. So here's our burgundy, guys. It took me forever to find this fabric. Now, mind you, it kind of went fast when I was showing it in the warehouse. So we only got one box of this left. So if you're thinking about some burgundy, I don't care if you ain't got an event yet or not. I'm trying to tell you. I tried to put in an order for this burgundy. I can't get it because it is no more right now. So if I can't get some on my next order, I probably can't get any more till next year because I'm only planning on placing one more order for the remainder of this year. And guys, I can't get any of this. So once this is gone, it's gone. And I'm like, I gotta keep a couple of these for myself. This is just so pretty. I'm trying to tell you, Janice, right? Miss Frey, Janice, right? Didn't you tell me yesterday it was Janice or the other day? So these are 12 foot, right? These are 12 feet. All the panels are cut to 12 feet. They pre-cut, especially everything that we have. But that new shipment, now that everything happens here, we probably will be cutting some at 15, because I keep getting requests for 15 feet. Or if it's something you want custom, you want a custom size, just send us a message and we can get the custom size cut, packaged, and shipped out to you. That's amazing. So when I found this burgundy, guys, I'm sitting there like, what am I going to do with that? So this is almost gone. So I'm trying to tell you, when it go, it's going to be gone. So get it, because this with a, I don't even know what I want to put with it, but it looks, guys, look at it with this blush. I don't know what it is about burgundy and pink. Y'all know I love them two colors together. Or burgundy and blush. I love them two colors together. Even burgundy and, yeah, I love my little setup, because I could just be looking at stuff and get carried away with the colors. And we still don't have all our colors up there yet, because my focus was getting everything over there. So now that I'm actually finding, like now I got to add the burgundy to this, and I got to fill that up with all the interlock. We got like 32 colors, I believe, of the interlock. And the voile isn't even up here. So that voile been flying off the shelves too. I didn't know y'all still in love with voile like that. Although, if you're familiar with the way I drape, you'll know why having voile is important for your inventory. So another good thing about being here, right, and like just being here with all of the product, I can easily do a lot more videos, just explaining different things, why I use this, why I use that. Because some of you guys, I keep getting the messages now, like I'm still getting these messages. What kind of fabrics to buy? I'm like, guys, I did 4 or 5 videos on fabric. So I'm going to just take it a step further and tell you guys, for one, why I carry 5 different blends. Something don't seem right. 5 different blends. It should be 6. I feel like I'm missing something. But why I carry 5 different blends, right? And almost every backdrop I ever have or design, I always have